fetus will kick while you're videotaping. That would be perfect. Hey, fetus, go ahead and kick.
Will it scare him?
No, but sometimes you can see it on the outside.
If it marches along.
Oh, like that. Did you see?
I didn't, but the camera may
It's too subtle. It's too subtle, Jenny.
Let's see.
When was the last time you had a sonogram?
I did it at 20 weeks. And I'm at like 25 now.
So that one
Maybe I
just
just
from
think
November.
It's
that
old.
would work, but
When I did it at 20 weeks, the fetus was moving so